I'm doing Monday minis. And let me mix. I have 2 5s in here and 21s. Let me mix them. And okay. And then my 3-sided die. And I tallied out the winter ones, and I put in some St. Patty's. So I'm gonna start here, and then I have one Valentine still. So 1, 3, which is the first 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back to the front. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna skip this one because the other 5's coming up, and I don't want that one to have both 5's. 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm cheating. I mean, oh well. This one is the Millennial Saver, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are all gonna be $1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, and then this one is from Brooklyn Hill Saves, and I'll make them all 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4. And then this one's mine. And it got 5, 6, 7. I need a... I'm looking for a wet marker. Okay. So 5, 6, 7. So 3, 6, and 7. And then this one is Neen's Budget, and it got 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3, 6, and 8. And then my other gnome, and I'm just gonna make them all 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then last up is Ellie on Earth. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I believe this was part of her March Madness, I think. that's all the savings challenges. And I think my next video will be my March budget. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.